Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock an iPhone 11 that is locked to the Verizon network. So this tutorial will be a permanent unlock. You can use your iPhone on any carrier. It's a factory unlock, which means your iPhone will remain unlocked forever, and it's IMEI based, so we only need the IMEI number, as well as your warranty still is intact and you can still update your phone. So nothing really changes besides the fact that you can use your phone with any carrier in the world. So first, we just need your IMEI number. To do this, we just need to go onto the settings section of your phone and go under general. Then under the about phone tab, you should see a bunch of numbers. Your IMEI number should be somewhere in there. Once we have that number, we're good to move on to the next step of the process. So the next step in the process, guys, will be to go to our website. The link would be down below to store.unlockboot.com. Anyways, once you're here, just go ahead and scroll down to the iPhone unlock section right here. And here we're going to look for the model in which we're unlocking. So Verizon iPhone 11, going to go ahead and click that. So on this page, you'll get all the information about our unlock service. All you need to do is enter in the IMEI number and then click unlock. And alright, guys, once you are at checkout, go ahead and enter in your payment information and then go ahead and click proceed to checkout. You can check out whatever payment method you like. Following the wait period after checkout, receive an email from UnlockBoot saying that your iPhone is now unlocked. To apply the unlock, just enter in a non-original SIM card and connect to Wi-Fi network. Your device will be unlocked. So this is very simple here. All I'm going to do now is turn off the current phone, take out the SIM card that's in it, and put in a new one from a different carrier. From here, we're going to reboot the phone. And once the phone has rebooted, then we're going to try to make a phone call. And as you guys can see here, it works perfectly fine. So guys, that's going to do it for this video. This was a quick tutorial for how to factory unlock your iPhone 11. If this video helped you guys, please leave a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.